Hello everyone. My name is Chef Shirley.
And this is little Chef Tatiana.
So today little Chef Tatiana and I will be showing you how to make delicious traditional Northern Irish 15s dessert. It's super delicious and it only needs a few ingredients. So, do you want to learn how to make this delicious dessert with us?
Yeah!
Alright, so let's wash our hands and get started. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 15 digestive biscuits, 15 white marshmallows cut into quarters, 15 glazed cherries cut into halves, 1 tin of condensed milk and some desiccated coconut. So let's get started. Step 1. Put the biscuits into a blender or food processor and blend until it becomes a fine crumb. Step 2. Mix the crumbed biscuits with the marshmallows, cherries and condensed milk. Mix this until fully combined. Step 3. So you want to be really careful with this step. Put some of the desiccated coconut onto cling film. Then lay your biscuit mixture on top of it. Now, using your hands and the cling film, roll the mixture to form a round sausage shape. For best results, refrigerate this overnight. It looks so good. It's been setting all night and now it's all ready. Cut into thin slices or any size you'd like and enjoy. All done. Well, here it is, 15's dessert. Let's give it a try. Super delicious. Wow, it's so good. It's a definite must-try recipe. Well, thanks for watching. Enjoy. See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.